Yay! Yay!
Oh, I forgot. I'm sorry, I forgot.
Tell him, what did Ma'am say?
Oh, I didn't do anything. It did it by accident. I'm going to have to put this thing down.
Okay, Emily, he stopped. Yeah, hey. Look, he comes over here to me. Yeah, Emily. Yeah, he stopped and you started squirting him. What, baby? What happened? Did you get dirty? Did you get dirty, Russell? Let me see your hands. Papa. Okay.
Papa done pissed all y'all off.
Yes, he has. Papa, stop. Go wash your hands, Bubba. Go get that water hose and squirt Papa.
Here.
Go squirt him.
Here, bud.
Oops. Go squirt Papa.
Here. Here, bud. Here.
No, he said. Go get it.
Oh, forgot again.
Go get it, Bubba. Go get the water hose from Papa. Tell him you want the hose back. Tell him you want the hose back. Papa, he wants it back.
Here, Bubba.